Hello everybody, I'm Morgan from the very unofficial travel guides and welcome back to part 2 of the Norwegian Escape ship tour. Yes, welcome back. It is part 2. If you missed part 1, it is linked in the description below, or you can just subscribe to my channel here on YouTube and you'll get an update whenever I post a new video. If you're not subscribed yet, then please go ahead and do that. In part 1, I showed you all around the more or less all of the interesting things that are inside the ship, and now I'm up at the top of the ship and want to show you around all the amazing amenities. I just was channeling Jeffree Star there. Last week when we were in Disneyland Paris, if you've seen those videos already, you'll know. I was there with some friends and they kept quoting Jeffree Star, and now I find myself doing it as well, being like, ooh, she's thick, or she is giving me water slides. Anyways, I just wanted to say that there are a lot of really amazing things to do on the top of the ship, and they're all included in the price of your cruise, or most of them are included in the price of your cruise, so check this out. I'm approaching Spice H2O, which is the adults-only sun and bar area. On the Epic, there is a small pool here, but on the other ships, they took the pool away, which is one thing I think they should have thought of differently on this design. There's a lot of things about this design of ship that I think are a big improvement over the Epic, but that's one thing that I wish was still here, was that small pool. They do have the 2 hot tubs, like on the Epic, and similar to the Getaway, they have this sort of splashing waterfall cave area, which as far as theming goes, I think is really nice. But I don't know, it's just not practical. It's not like you want to I just prefer a pool where if I'm feeling warm, I can jump in really quickly and then get back out. And I don't know, it just feels more controlled than like walking through a waterfall, although it is a nice touch. They also do movies under the stars here, which is really nice. On the Epic, on our Mediterranean cruise, we watched Star Wars Rogue One as the sun was setting with some frozen cocktails. It was a really fantastic experience. One thing I forgot to mention, and one thing I don't think I got to show you guys, is that directly underneath this, on the deck below, is the Garden Cafe, which is the buffet restaurant on Norwegian. We really enjoy eating there, but my mom and Tim have been going there with us, and they seem a little bit disappointed by the food. So I don't know if our standards are really low, or I don't know. We enjoy the buffet. We enjoy going there and serving ourselves and trying different food from different countries and different flavors. But it seems like my mom, so somebody in her 60s, prefers to go to the sit-down restaurants, which is something that Marcus and I definitely don't prefer to do. Anyways, that has nothing to do with the ship tour. I just wanted to mention that below here is the Garden Cafe, and that's not necessarily an outside thing or a middle of the ship thing, and that's why I guess I forgot to mention it. What do you think? I'm gonna wrap it up here. Like I said before, it's my birthday, or maybe I didn't say that in this video. I said it in part 1. Today is my birthday, so I'm gonna go enjoy this fantastic ship for my birthday. Thank you for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching my videos. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. That would also be a nice birthday present. And you can also just please come back next week, or come back on the weekend for Sunday story time. And otherwise, I will see you next week with another fun travel-related video. Bon voyage!